Hi guys, here we have some update for you. Like the thing which we are developing is like a real estate bot. Definitely, you can see like we are getting certain response in the format of this particular scenario. We do have asked some questions available home around this in California, or something like available this in. So we are trying to take this thing. So the core part is the tech setup which we are doing. Definitely, we are using vector DB and Langchain, these all things, but we are using the script at the front end. So whatever response we are getting, like the response we are getting here, as you can see, our server, we are getting a different response in the format of API. So practically, this is the output. But we have tried to create a script which give us this output into the beautiful format of card that is this. We are still working on it, but we do have got, like right now we asked some specific question and I got this type of thing. So I have to work on it. But the good thing is we do got a way how we have to do it. We have added the database, we are doing with the live link. So this we already did or something like that. Let me show you one demo. I hope it comes right. Hey, hi. Can you give me a property or a list of property which has like 2 to 3 BHK, like both 2 or 3 BHK can be the option. The budget is around, or it can be like anything less than or around $5 million, and it can be in like you can find it out in whole San Diego site. I'm open for it. Let's see this type of conversation, how ChatGPT is understanding, how it is taking and how it is getting back. This is a really a good situation which we have to manage it up. So waiting for the reply. Sure, we'll be working. Hey, can you give me a property for the list with 2 or 3 BHK, like both 2 or 3 BHK can be the option. The budget is around, or it can be anything less than around 5 million, or it can be like you can find it in whole San Diego site. I'm open for it. So good thing is it has taken the whole response, and the other thing is here I am coming up with some output. Definitely, we are working on these properties, like how the information is there, which information is coming up, or something like that. We are trying to make it more suitable. We do are on the track and working out to make it more better. And definitely, you will listen from us tomorrow. And if possible, we'll make a live demo or everything for setup and give it to you. But keep track. Like if you have any query or questions, we are open for response. Thank you. See you tomorrow.